In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Mixpanel project token. To get started, open Mixpanel and make sure you're already signed into your account. Once you're on the main Mixpanel screen, look toward the bottom left corner of the page. You'll see the gear icon, which is the settings area. Go ahead and click that. After you open settings, the next place you want to go is project settings. This is where Mixpanel keeps the main configuration details for the project you're currently working in. So if you manage more than one project, it's a good idea to quickly confirm that you're inside the correct one before continuing. Once you're in project settings, stay on the overview section. This page gives you a summary of important information related to the project, and the detail we're looking for is a little farther down the page. Scroll down until you reach the Access Keys section. Inside Access Keys, you'll find the project token. That token is what many integrations and tracking setups use to connect data to the correct Mixpanel project. So this is the exact value most people are trying to locate when setting up analytics or troubleshooting an implementation. When you see the project token, you can copy it directly from that section if needed. Just be careful when sharing it and only use it in places where it's actually required for your setup. Even though it's easy to access from project settings, it's still best practice to handle project credentials carefully and avoid exposing them unnecessarily. So to quickly recap, you open Mixpanel, click the gear icon in the bottom left corner, go to Settings, then Project Settings, stay in the Overview area, scroll down to Access Keys, and there you'll find your project token. That's all there is to it. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. If you're following along for an integration or analytics setup, keeping this path in mind can save you time the next time you need to locate it.